Today I'm going to show you how to foundation double crochet stitch. The foundation double crochet stitch allows you to work your foundation chain and your first row of double crochet stitches all in one step. So you literally only have to chain 2. So we'll start out by making a slip knot. And then you're going to chain 2. 1 and 2. And now we're going to work into that first chain that we made. So yarn over, go into that very first chain you made. And when you go in there, you're going to go through that loop and be sure to pick up that back loop there too. So go through both of those loops. Like that. And now you're going to yarn over, pull back through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, pull through that first loop. That forms your foundation chain. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. And then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's your double crochet for your first row. So now to find where you're going to put your next stitch, turn your work towards you and look for the V there at the bottom. See a little V? That's the stitch you're working into. So you're going to yarn over, go into that stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first loop. That formed your chain. And now yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. And yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that's your double crochet. So turn your work to find where you're going to put your next stitch. There's your V from your last stitch right there. Right there. So yarn over, go into that stitch there, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops there, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and there's your double crochet. Let me show you what we have so far. Right here is your foundation row, and right here is your first row of double crochets. So turn your work. There's your V right there. So yarn over, work into that stitch, yarn over, pull back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Let's work a few more. Turn your work here and find the V right there. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. I went ahead and skipped ahead to make several so you can kind of see what it looks like. I really like to use the foundation crochet stitches because it leaves a really stretchy band, and it also helps with tension issues. You don't have the curling, and you can get nice straight edges with it. That is your foundation row right there. And then here are your double crochets. Now that I have some length to this, let me show you again how to work foundation double crochet. To find the next stitch that you're going to work into, turn your work. Now up here it has a slight slant. Ignore that part. That's where you're at right now. So you're not going to work into that. So look past that and find the first V, which is right here. There's your V's. Right there. And that's the stitch you're going to work into. So yarn over, insert your hook, and be sure you push a good bit of your hook through that, like this. You don't want to just go in there a little bit and then grab some yarn because you're going to have tight stitches. So be sure to push a good way through, then yarn over and pull back through. And then push your hook through those stitches again. And then yarn over, pull through that first loop there. 3 loops on your hook, be sure to push, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So let's do this one more time. Ignore this slant here because that's where you're at. Turn your work and look for the V and work into that stitch. You can also see from this angle, there's your slant right here. And here is the foundation chain you made from your last stitch, and that's what you're working into. So yarn over, insert your hook. Be sure to go through both loops. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your foundation double crochet stitch.